Welcome to our video about the fascinating world of Pokemon and their placement on the Tree of Life. Today, we take a closer look at Electrode and its relationship with Vileplume. Ready? Let's go. The Rosids are members of a large clade, monophyletic group of flowering plants containing about 70,000 species, more than a quarter of all angiosperms. The clade is divided into 16 to 20 orders, depending upon circumscription and classification. These orders, in turn, together comprise about 140 families. Fossil Rosids are known from the Cretaceous period. Molecular clock estimates indicate that the Rosids may have originated in the Aptian or Albian stages of the Cretaceous, between 125 and 99. 6 million years ago. Today's broadleaved forests are dominated by Rosid species, which in turn help with diversification in many other living lineages. Additionally, Rosid herbs and shrubs are a significant part of Arctic/alpine and temperate forests. The clade also includes some aquatic, desert, and parasitic plants. The Rosids are primarily characterized by molecular genetic features, with only a few common morphological traits. Their flowers typically possess a double perianth consisting of a calyx and corolla, and the petals are often free, not fused. Additionally, two whorls of stamens are usually present, or the androecium is secondarily increased either centripetally, toward the center, or centrifugally, away from the center. The gynoecium is often septate. The ovules are cross-anucellate, have two integuments, and the endosperm develops in a nuclear fashion. Disc nectaries are frequently found at the base of the flowers. The fagales are an order of angiosperms, Magnoliopsida. With few exceptions, they consist of woody plants such as trees and shrubs. Ectomycorrhizal symbioses are almost always present. The simple leaves typically have serrated margins, and stipules are often present. Buds are covered with bud scales, and the transverse walls of the tracheae are dissolved in a scalariform pattern. Most species are monoecious, meaning the flowers are unisexual, but both male and female flowers occur on the same plant. The flowers are small and possess a single whorl of perianth segments. Nectaries are absent, and pollination in most species occurs via wind. Flowers are grouped in inflorescences, with male flowers predominantly arranged in catkins. The ovary is usually inferior. Each carpel contains two unitegmic ovules, which are only weakly developed at fertilization. In general, fertilization is significantly delayed compared to pollination. The typically dry, one-seeded fruits are often nuts with a vascularized testa. Modern representatives of the order are primarily found in the Northern Hemisphere, but also occur in parts of Australia, Africa, and South America. The oldest known member of the order is the flower Soa padmoa cupulata, preserved in late Turonian, coniation New Jersey amber. It exhibits a mosaic of traits found in both Nothofagus and other fagales, suggesting that the ancestor of all fagales was Nothofagus-like. The Fagaceae is a family within the order Fagales, part of the angiosperms, Magnoliopsida. It comprises 8 to 12 genera with approximately 670 to 900 species, mostly thriving in cold to temperate climates, and less commonly in subtropical to tropical zones, primarily in the Northern Hemisphere. All species in the Fagaceae are woody plants, growing mostly as trees and occasionally as shrubs. They may be evergreen or deciduous. The leaves are alternately arranged in 2 rows or spirally, and are divided into petiole and blade. The leaf blades are often leathery, with margins that may be smooth, serrated, or sawtoothed. If the margin is smooth, the lateral veins do not reach the edge. Leaf surfaces are covered with simple, star-shaped or branched hairs, trichomes. Stipules are present. The flowers are grouped in upright or hanging simple inflorescences called catkins. All species are monoecious, meaning male and female flowers are found on the same plant, grouped in separate inflorescences. The unisexual flowers are radially symmetrical. There are typically 2 whorls of 3 free perianth segments, or the segments are fused and end in 4 to 6 lobes. Male flowers contain 4 to 20 stamens. Female flowers contain staminodes and usually 3 to 6. Sometimes 2 to 15, carpels fused into an inferior ovary. Each ovary chamber contains two pendulous anatropous bitegmic ovules. Pollination is mostly by wind, though some species, especially in the genus Castanea, are insect-pollinated. The characteristic fruits of this family are nuts, occurring singly or in groups of up to 3, depending on the genus, within a cup-shaped structure called a cupule. For this reason, the family is also referred to as Cupulaceae. The fruits are dispersed by animals. Seeds are often densely surrounded by hairs originating from the endocarp. The basic chromosome number is usually X equals 12, though 11, 13, or May 21st also occur. That's it for now. In the next video, we take a closer look at Exegutor and its relationship with all Rosids and Victory Bell. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, leave a like, and check in next time.